Hey guys, Micah here from EbikeSchool.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can build a do-it-yourself solar-powered battery charger that you can use to charge a lithium battery, such as those in an electric bicycle, or maybe an electric skateboard, or pretty much any lithium battery that you have. I've also got a really exciting announcement, but you're going to have to wait till the end of the video for that. Alright, now this is actually a really simple project, and I'm only going to need a few parts. The components I'm going to use are a 12-volt solar panel, which is actually 18-volt open circuit, a DC-DC converter, which is actually a boost converter, a little bit of wire, and then lastly a charging connector, which I'm using an RCA connector because that's what fits my battery, but you might need an XLR or a DC barrel connector, whatever fits your battery. I'll put a link to all the components I used in the description below this video. Now let's look at how we build this solar-powered charger. At the heart of the project is the solar panel, of course. The solar panel will generate our DC electricity at approximately 18 volts open circuit. If you have a different voltage solar panel, just make sure that it's still within the input specification of your DC-DC converter. 12-volt components, though, are really common and just really easy to work with. Next, we have the DC-DC converter. Now, the solar panel will send its current to the DC-DC converter, which will increase that 18 volts to a higher voltage to charge our battery. It's important to choose a proper DC-DC converter for this project, one that operates with a constant current, constant voltage output, or CCCV. This means that it will keep the output current constant at first, slowly increasing the voltage as the battery charges. Then, when the battery reaches its full voltage, the DC-DC converter will keep the voltage constant and slowly decrease the current. The last piece of the puzzle is to add your output wires to the proper connector for your battery's charging port. These connections are all really easy. I bought some matching MC4 connectors for my solar panel so that I could easily disconnect the panel and use it for other projects, but you could just connect your panel straight to the input on the DC-DC converter. I also used ring terminals because I wanted to be fancy, but you can just, sort of crush that wire in the screw contact here. Then the output from the DC-DC converter will connect to your charger connector, and that's basically all the connections you have to make. Once you've got all of your connections set up, you'll have to set the proper voltage on your DC-DC converter. Because my e-bike uses a 52-volt battery, or a 14S battery, I need to set the output voltage to 58.8 to get a full charge. But if you have a different number of lithium-ion cells in series, you just multiply 4.2 volts times the number of cells to get the proper charge voltage for a full charge on your battery. And that's the cool thing about using a programmable DC-DC converter like this one, because you can charge a wide range of batteries with the same components. I can use the exact same components here to charge my 52-volt e-bike battery and my 36-volt electric skateboard battery. Now, because the solar panel is so large, it's not really meant to be a portable charger. I mean, you could carry it around, I guess, but it would probably get a little bit awkward. There are folding solar panels out there, and that's probably what you'd want to use if you want to bring this around and make it a portable solar charger. All right, and now it's time for the big announcement. Now, you guys have been super supportive of me and my books in the past, helping boost both of my books to #1 spots on Amazon in their categories. And now I'm really excited to announce the debut of my newest book, which is DIY Solar Power: How to Power Everything from the Sun. It's got tons of projects and how-tos in it, including this project, how to build a solar-powered charger for a electric skateboard or a electric bicycle, or basically anything that uses lithium batteries. But it's got so much more than that. It's got information about solar vehicles and boats, about off-grid solar for homes and cabins, grid tie solar, passive solar projects, and small portable solar projects. Basically anything you want to know about solar projects, I've written it in this book, and I've tried to make it follow the same pattern of my previous books about introducing these concepts in a easily understandable way in the beginning, then walking you through progressively more complicated solutions to show how to do all of these different types of solar projects. The alternative energy blog Electrek was kind enough to promote a post about my book, so I want to put a link down in the description below so you guys can go check it out. There's also the opportunity to download a free sample chapter from the book through Electrek's post, so you should definitely check that out. And if you want to support me and grab a copy of my book, for the next few days, the Kindle ebook version is going to be 90% off, and the paperback version is going to be 50% off. So you can grab a copy of the Kindle version for just $1, and if you like it, I'd really appreciate if you'd give it a positive review on Amazon, because it really helps me out and helps me grow my audience. So thank you guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Last thing, it's time to announce the winner of the giveaway from my last video. And the winner was Tom Tom V. So congratulations, Tom. Send me a message here on YouTube. You can send a private message through my channel page. Let me know which book you'd like, either my first two books, DIY Lithium Batteries, or the Ultimate Do-It-Yourself E-Bike Guide, or my newest book, DIY Solar Power, and let me know where to send it to. Anybody else who wants a chance to win one of my books for free, all you have to do is put a comment in the comments below this video here on YouTube, and you'll be automatically entered to win, and hopefully you'll be the next randomly selected commenter. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. See you guys next time.